qualities. Right? Just a second. I'll just present the screen.
Am I audible?
Sir,
Okay,
yes, sir.
right. So those who have textbook, they can open it. I already told those who were present before some time that we are learning vocabulary one today. We will write the answers for that. Misbah, will you read this paragraph, the heading and the paragraph?
Okay, sir. Vocabulary 1. Foreign words in English. The English language developed over many centuries. It absorbed words from Celtic, Welsh, Irish,
Celtic.
Irish, Gaelic, Latin, Greek, German, and French languages. Later, as its maritime time and military influence spread across the world, many new words were absorbed into the language. Today, English is a global language widely spoken across the world. Many words from the India languages and dialects and languages of Africa and the southeastern countries, including China, have found their way into the English language.
Okay. So all these are languages. You know that all the words in English language are not basically from English language. They are taken from different languages. Do you know that? All these languages which are given, Celtic, Welsh, Irish, Gaelic, Latin, इन सब के words mix करके French languages के भी word लिए and they have adopted that words in English language. Do you know that? And
No.
today English has become a global language. It is spoken across the world, mostly all the countries. But many words from Indian languages and dialects. Dialects means what? Dialects means local accent. हमारी जो इंडिया की local accent है उसमें से भी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में वर्ड्स एब्जॉर्ब किए हैं. And also from the African language and southeastern countries, English has adopted the words from all these languages. So which are that words we are going to learn in that lesson? Did you understand the heading foreign words in English? The words from other languages which have been taken into English. Not originally originated from England, but taken from other languages. You understand what is in the
Yes.
chapter?
Yes,
Okay, see,
sir.
examples are given. Bangle. We know what is a bangle. We call it bangdi, a type of bracelet, right? Bungalow, bangla, a house. So ये words कहाँ से है? All these are Indian words, aren't they?
Yes.
You have already heard these words. This kamarband, ये भी सुना होगा. A sash or belt or cotton worn around the waist. Kamarband, it is taken as. The English word is this one. And these are the Indian words जिसके pronunciations देख के English में words spellings बना लिया. Do you understand?
Yes.
See, खुशी, that is all we know, happy. So खुशी, but meanings are same. इसका भी meaning same होता है. The words in English. Then dacoit, highway robber, जो डाकू होते हैं वो dacoit. English word is also this one. So you see how many words have been taken directly from Indian language into English. Dekho, to see, right? We say in Hindi, dekho. So dekho means to see. Did you know that this is an English word? Means to see. Teacher, the word guru is taken. Then where sporting events take place, gymkhana. Have you heard this word, gymkhana?
No.
Mumbai
No.
it is very popular. Then spices, वैसे masala. Forest, jungle, a dust color, khaki. Loot, this word directly loot. Hindi का भी वही word है, loot. In English also we write the word loot. So directly it is taken from Hindi, means Indian language, to English. A very rich person, a rich industrialist, that is Mughal. Then see, a grand ruler, Maharaja. So in English also we have this word. You might have read in the stories. A holy message, mantra. You know what are mantras, right?
Yes.
Sanskrit have learned. Right or well done. Tukka. Punch. Punch means five. So punch is also given over here. The word, actually the punch word means five. But from that this word is made. Pandit, you already know the word Pandit, who stays in the temple for the religious activities. So Pandit, this word is taken in English. A bread, we call it roti or chapati, and fabric or cloth worn over the shoulder, that is shawl. Shawl also everyone knows. So हम बोलते हैं shawl. Shawl is English word, but it's taken actually from Indian word. Tufan, storm. Have you heard this word typhoon? Also in foreign there are names like typhoon,
Yes, sir.
तूफान. हिंदी वर्ड है तूफान, उसमें से ये बन गया टाइफून. मीनिंग इज सेम. योग में से बना योगा. So yog is actually Indian word. From that English word is made yoga. So you see how many words English has adopted from our Indian languages. So we should be
सर
proud of that.
सर
Yes, yes.
वो पीछे गया देखो, उसमें वो नहीं लिख सकते सी?
Sorry, you are not clear. Can you speak again?
ये जो पीछे देखो था, उसमें हम लोग SEE नहीं लिख सकते?
See, to see. Yes, that is the meaning. But even this word exists in English. You might not have heard, लेकिन ऐसा भी word English में आता है. So you are learning that new word. Meaning is correct, to see. But deco, देखो में से deco आया. You can say, I want to have a deco at this paper. Means I want to have a look at this paper. In English also it is valid. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now this exercise 1 has to be done by you all yourself. These words they have given, you have to find out the meanings from the dictionary. Obviously, all of you, mostly you will use Google, I know that. You have to find out the words meanings, and these words are the words which are taken from French language. Homage, peasant, madam, morale, captain, cartoon, passport, terrace, cinema, television. Mostly you know all these words. Hardly one or two words will be there which you not are not aware about. Morale. It is morale actually. Do you know the meaning of this? It is not MORAL. MORALE. Morale. Can anyone tell me the meaning?
Moral.
No, that morals, that subject is different. That values of life. वो moral नहीं है ये. Morale means confidence. हम नहीं बोलते प्लीज उसका moral डाउन मत करो. Please means don't make him lose his confidence. So morale, that is confidence. But all other words are known to you. Are there any other words which are new? बाकी सब words तो easy है, you might have heard. But still you have to write the dictionary meanings. Yes, homage. I was going to ask. Homage. Anyone? Anyone who can tell me? Respectful
Respect
of.
shown in public setting.
Yes. You when you show respect to someone, you are respectful of someone. And this one, peasant. Actually, peasant means we can call farmers also, but here a country person, a kind of village person. Okay. Any doubt in any other words? Will you find the meanings from the dictionary or Google?
Yes.
You have to write it
Google.
yourself. Yes. And please,
डिक्शनरी ऐसे भी कुछ खोलता नहीं है सर.
this is one also. Now this one is an interesting exercise. So you tell me that.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने उसके आंसर अभी तक नहीं भेजे फर्स्ट चैप्टर की 7-8 एक्सरसाइज की.
But five sentences we had solved. The next 5 sentences I told you I send answers. Why na?
हाँ सर.
Are you asking about that one? Last two exercises, 7 and 8. But at least you tried
हाँ
yourself. How
सर.
many of you tried? Tell me. How many of you have written all the answers? Or you are waiting for me to send any
सर
certification?
मैंने ट्राई किया पर नहीं आता है.
Don't worry, I'll send it and I'll do that today itself. But no one has sent it. No one has tried it, I suppose. Has anyone tried it? Because I have taught you how to do it. 5 sentences you have solved. And the rest I told you to do it yourself. Have you tried? Or you are waiting for me to send and you write it? Mute your mic. Okay, I'll send it. Don't worry. Mute your mic. Deepika,
Yes, sir.
mute your mic. Okay, so these are German words. Germany. German words and meanings. You will think that, sir, we have heard these words, one or two words, but actually from German words, these words are adopted in English language. So you try to guess the meaning. Angst, kaput, hinterland, rucksack, kindergarten, autobahn. You might have heard only this word, right?
Yes.
So you start with the meaning of the word that you know. Tell me randomly. Means any word that you know the meaning of. Tell me the answer.
सर किंडरगार्टन का क्लास प्रिटेंडिंग प्रिसीडिंग
Class preceding class 1.
Kaput ka broken or useless.
Before first standard, the nursery, that is kindergarten. Then
Kaput broken or useless.
kaput. Okay, kaput. It is actually kaput, broken or useless. Then which one do you know?
rucksack capsack
Rucksack. What is
yes
the meaning?
capsack
Knapsack. Do you know the meaning of the word? But cloth or leather bag. Cloth का bag या फिर leather bag. Then this is Autobahn. Autobahn. And this is angst. Anyone?
hinterland
Expressway.
autobahn expressway
Angst will be anxiety or anguish. So if you want to take screenshot, take it quickly.
so taken
Done?
yes
Yes, sir.
Now here there are words given. They have given us 6 words which are taken from African languages into English. African languages में से adopt किए हैं words in English language. And you have to make sentences. Right now we are discussing the sentences orally. You are not writing it. Just orally tell me the sentences, and then you will write it yourself. अभी लिखना नहीं है, but just tell me the answers. All the words you already know. See, are there any words new?
No.
No.
सर जम्बोरी मतलब सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई
Yes, I know that. At least make the sentence with the first one. That is the easiest one. Favorite fruit of monkey. What is it?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Make sentence with the first one.
An elongated banana with soft pulp originally found in Africa.
But that is the meaning which is already given. You have to make sentence. Meaning is already given, see. So banana is the fruit which is basically found in Africa. So the word banana has come from Africa. We can easily make sentence. The monkey gulped up the banana quickly. Can't you make sentences? You can make hundreds of sentences, can't you?
Yes, sir, we can make.
So obviously, it's so easy. I don't even have to teach you. Coffee, a drink made from roasted seeds of an African shrub. तो वो जो shrub है, जो plant है, जिसमें से coffee बनती है, it basically comes from Africa. So the word coffee has come from Africa. I don't think I have to teach you. For example, she made me some hot coffee. You can just make sentences, can't you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this word?
Dengue.
How do you pronounce?
Dengue.
Dengue.
Wrong. Anyone?
Dengue.
How do you pronounce it? No. Do you call it dengue like all others? Yes, all others, tell me.
Dengue.
Sarah.
Dengue.
Many people call it dengue.
Dengue.
Is it
Dengue.
correct? Is it correct?
No.
Yes, sir. Dengue.
Hmm. So call it dengue. Dengue. You just, how do you pronounce it? See, I'll write it, then you will understand. This is how you pronounce it. How will you pronounce?
Dengue.
Dengue.
People call it dengue, but it is dengue, dengue, like that. You can pronounce it. Dengue तो नहीं है. So please, whoever is speaking dengue, correct them. And we can make the sentence. You already know what is it. He was diagnosed with dengue, or he was suffering from dengue for more than a week. Jumbo, you know, very large specimen of an elephant. Suna तो होगा jumbo. The jumbo was a special treat in the circus, or we saw a jumbo in the circus performing the tricks. Have you heard this word jumbo? You might have heard already.
Yes.
Even for book, we use the word jumbo. Then, what is this? How do you pronounce it?
Jambori.
Chumbori.
It is jamboree. Jamboree. A large festive gathering in a camp. ये mostly Africa में होता है. Or not?
Yes, sir.
So, like a kind of party or celebration, that is jamboree. आदिवासी होते हैं ना वहाँ पे ज़्यादा. Right?
Yes.
And primitive man. In social, you might have learned. So the jamboree danced to the drum beats. Can you make your own sentence? And what about this word? Is it new? Safari. This word might not be new. Journey. An overland expedition means a kind of journey. So make sentence. Anyone? This word is not
I
new
will
for
go
you.
to
Anyone?
jungle safari.
Then I will go to jungle
I
safari.
go to jungle safari after a week.
Okay, that is correct. And we can write the sentence like the safari ride costs 500 rupees per person. ऐसा भी sentence, many sentences we can make actually. Now exercise 4 is important. See, in this lesson, the foreign words that we have studied up till now, we can make use of that words and complete these blanks. अभी तक जो भी words हमने देखे आगे, all these words from exercise 1, 2 and 3. You can use all these words to complete the blanks given in exercise number 4. You can use all these words, and you can also use these words which were given in the first table. So dash number 1. Ravi plans to go on a dash in Kenya to see the giraffes and other wild beasts. ये word तो अभी आया. To go on a
Safari.
yes. Then number 2. In the dash of Germany, there are no canals or navigable rivers. See, from this one word we had missed. Sorry, and you didn't even remind me. And this word will come over there.
सर लास्ट है तो
Hinterland.
जो बता होगा उससे ही होगा ना.
But still, arrow, no? Arrow तो मार्क होना चाहिए ना. When you taken screenshot, you should know it. Remote areas, मतलब बाहर के जो areas होते हैं. Like in Bhavnagar, we have remote areas like Chitra, right? That are remote areas. The outskirts that are called hinterland. You understand?
Yes.
जो सिटी से बाहर होते हैं. What?
एंग्जाइटी और एंगुश मतलब
Okay, 1 second. Which one over this? Oh, this one. Anguish, anxiety. It is anxiety. Worried. When you are worried, जब हम चिंता करते हैं किसी बात का टेंशन या फिर like that, when you are not feeling good, uncomfortable, that is anxiety. The scouts and guides are planning a large dash in Delhi.
Chambori.
Jambori.
Again, Jambori, you are saying. How do you speak?
Jamboree.
Jambori.
Jamboree. And what was that disease?
Festival.
Dengue.
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 There is some problem with this. I don't know what is the problem. It's not letting me write. Misbah has done something. So the keyboard is not letting me.
वो आपके फोन में क्या कर सकती है?
The dash attacked him in the forest at night.
Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Elephant. Let me have a dash at this paper.
Dengue.
Deco.
So you see, you did not know that you can use this word also. It is valid in English. देखो में से देखो याद नहीं रहेगा. You need a dash to travel abroad. This is even a child of 10 years knows this. Which document do we need?
Passport.
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 How many of you have it?
I.
I have it.
Only two? Okay. But that document,
आपके पास है
of course, passport is not necessary if you don't want to travel abroad. Many of them don't have it. But passport is the only document that is the biggest proof, that is the biggest identity of a citizen, right? When we go abroad.
Yes.
And passport, if you have, you don't need any other documents, because when passport is made, you already know that all other documents are verified. Then the passport is made.
Yes, sir.
So if you have passport and if you don't have any other documents with you, you are still good to go anywhere, even in India, local. They are giving a lot of importance to Aadhaar card, but passport was and it will be the biggest proof. Now you have to make sentences using these words. You can make sentences like Guru. So the book is written by a management guru, like that you can make sentence. You just have to try it yourself. Then kindergarten, for example, the kindergarten students performed a play. You can make sentence, can't you? What is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
yes sir we can make
Broken or useless.
yes? Okay. So I was terrified that our savings were kaput. Our savings were useless.
What Odessa is eating?
What? Who spoke? Bungalow. We all know this example. They bought a bungalow in the sea. I don't think you need my help for making the sentences like this. Homage. What was the meaning of this word?
confidence
No. Respectful of. To give respect. किसी को respect देना. Or even like when the person is not there, we pay homage. We just give our respect, our love and care we show to that person. So we can say the students paid homage to Robert Frost's poetry. Like that you can make sentence with homage. The students paid homage to Abdul Kalam's quote. That way also we can write. Then what is the meaning of this?
Happy.
Kushi, happy. So the Kushi kid went jumping with joy around the park. It's an adjective, Kushi. From Kushi it has been taken. Remember?
Yes.
The Kushi children went to the park jumping and dancing like that. So last exercise is left actually. We will solve it later on. Answers I will send. Two exercises we have discussed where answers we have not written. Also chapter 1 I will send it completed in homework by everyone.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
bye sir have a nice day
Kushi.